Open the web page you want to convert, click on the three dots. Click on Share, then Print. Click on the check mark to remove a page you don't want. Click on the Save button. Rename the file if you want and save to your phone. Copy the link of the web page. Go to printfriendly.com. Paste in the link you copied and click Preview. To delete an image or text, click on it. The bin icon will appear. Click to delete the image or text. Click on the PDF icon. Select the paper size you want. Click Download button. Your PDF is ready. Thank you.